Do you still need to pay your agent commission when buying a home? In case you don't know, the real estate world was flipped on its head recently. A lawsuit against the National Association of Realtors is challenging how buyer agents get paid, and it's left a lot of people confused. Here's the short version. A court recently ruled that the current structure of buyers' agents' commissions was illegal and needed to change. Now, buyers' commissions are negotiable, which begs the question, should you still offer to pay the buyer's commission when selling your home? In my opinion, it's still a good idea. And here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, setting a rate up front avoids negotiations. Since buyer commissions are now negotiable, it's better to get ahead of things and agree to a rate before negotiating. If you wait until closing to negotiate your buyer commission rate, it could become a sticking point that slows down your sale or jeopardizes the transaction altogether. You may even have to end up paying extra just to make your buyer and their agent happy. Instead, I recommend communicating upfront about what you're willing to pay to avoid confusion and unnecessary negotiations. Number 2, offering a competitive rate will help your home sell. Just like you look at similar homes in your area to determine your listing price, you should also look at similar buyers' agents' rates in your area to determine how much commission you offer. A higher rate is a sign to buyers that you're serious about getting your home sold and will probably reduce your time on the market. However, you don't want to make your rate too high and end up paying unnecessary fees. Work with your agent and look at similar homes in the market to find a Goldilocks rate that isn't too high or too low. Number 3, offering no commission to buyers comes with risks. You may think it makes the most sense to offer 0 commission up front and simply negotiate a low rate at closing. However, this isn't how things will work in practice. Just because you list your home and offer a 0% rate up front does not mean you won't pay any buyer commissions. Most buyers will simply ignore your home if they think their representation won't be compensated. Instead, it means you'll have to negotiate the rate at closing, which can lead to a drawn-out sale and potentially paying more than you would have otherwise. I know this topic can be a little confusing, so don't hesitate to call or email me if you have any questions. Plus, I offer a flexible commission menu so that you can pay for representation no matter what your budget is. I look forward to hearing from you.